If you are still worrying about what your family will eat today, we have left you behind. Join me and let's make this mouth-watering dish. Now I'm going to be using chicken drumstick for this. You can use chicken thigh. It depends on what you want. I'm going to remove the flesh. Have you ever removed? Did you always remove flesh when you're using chicken, or you leave it like that? Let me know in the comment section because I do not really like the flesh. Okay, so let's move forward. In there, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and I'm going to squeeze a half lemon, and I'm going to squeeze it inside there and wash it thoroughly. I'll go ahead and do that, and it is ready. And I'm going to set it aside. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Bose and I am Bose's Home Kitchen. Thank you for joining. In a bowl, I'm going to add all my spices and seasoning. And in there, I have oregano, ginger and garlic powder. I have some thyme, some smoked paprika, and some seasoning, chicken seasoning. Mix that and combine them thoroughly and set it aside. I'm going to make some incisions in my chicken. Normally, if you leave it for like 2 days in the fridge, no need to do that. But I'm just going to leave it in the fridge for like 10 minutes. So that's why I need to make some incisions on it. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic oil and vegetable oil. I'm mixing the two together, but it's optional. You can just mix vegetable oil in. Mix that thoroughly, okay? Combine it together and cover that with a clean film and set it aside. Stay tuned, guys. If you are new to my channel, if it's your first time, you are very welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and let's be friends. Thank you. Now here is my carrot and potato. I'm using baby potato. You don't need to peel it if you want, but I am peeling mine because my children did not like it if I didn't peel it. Okay, it is already washed, okay, thoroughly washed, and I'm going to be cutting this into smaller portion. You can also choose to leave it like that. You are not, you are not obliged to cut it. It depends on you. Now I'll go ahead and dribble some oil into it. Stay tuned, guys. I just want to appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back to like my video, to comment on my video, and to support me. Now that they are ready, I will go ahead and dribble some oil into it, and I will pour some of the spices that is remaining, and I will combine them together and mix it thoroughly. After mixing it, I will cover it with a clean thing and leave it to marinate for like 10 to 13 minutes. If you're still with me till this moment, you're the real MVP. I will then go ahead and bring out my roasting pan, or if you have a roasting tray, you are good to go, and lay my chicken drumstick and the marinated vegetables and spread them evenly on it. I will go ahead and sprinkle some oil on it. If you want, you can brush it off, okay? And I will transfer it into my already preheated oven and bake it for like 50 minutes at 170 degrees C. And voila, it is ready and it is absolutely yummy and mouth-watering. Will you give this a try? Yeah, you need to try it and let's know in the comment section. If you love what you are seeing, please give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let us become friends. Do you enjoy this roasted chicken and potato? It is really yummy and you need to try it. And I will see you next in my next video. Bye.